Good morning. My today's questions are related to Lok Sabha. It is very important topic for all the competitive exams like SSC, IAS, BPSC, RRBTC, UPPCS, etc. For detailed information related to this topic, you must visit my YouTube video. I am sharing the link in description box. Let's start. Question 1. Which is the first or lower house of the parliament? Answer. Lok Sabha. According to the constitution, what is the maximum number of members of Lok Sabha? Answer. 552. How many members of Anglo-Indian community are nominated in Lok Sabha by the President? Answer. 2 members. Who elects the members of Lok Sabha? Answer. People elect the members of Lok Sabha. On what basis people elect the members of Lok Sabha? Answer. On the basis of adult franchise in direct form through secret ballot system. Mention the tenure of Lok Sabha. Answer. 5 years. Who can dissolve Lok Sabha even before the completion of its tenure? Answer. The President. Up till now, how many times has Lok Sabha been dissolved before the completion of its tenure? Answer. 9 times. Who calls and postpones the sessions of the parliament? Answer. The President. Mention any 2 functions of Lok Sabha Speaker. Answer. Presiding upon the meeting of Lok Sabha and taking decisions regarding public bills. Who certifies money bills? Answer. Speaker of the Lok Sabha. Who elects the Speaker of Lok Sabha? Answer. All the members collectively elect the Speaker of Lok Sabha. What is the required age to become a member of Lok Sabha? Answer. 25 years. Question. Which are the 2 major officers of Lok Sabha? Answer. Speaker and Deputy Speaker. What is the minimum number of Lok Sabha sessions called? Answer. 2 times in 1 year. The President can dissolve the Lok Sabha even before the completion of its tenure with the advice of dash. Answer. Prime Minister. Who is the leader of the Lok Sabha? Answer. The Prime Minister. The Council of Ministers are collectively responsible towards the dash. Answer. The Lok Sabha. According to which article, money bill can be proposed only in Lok Sabha? Answer. Article 109. The Lok Sabha can be dissolved by the President, so it is known as what? Answer. Temporary house. Thank you.